This exotic beetle is native to China, Korea, and Japan, and first arrived in the U.S. in the 1990s. It was discovered in Fairfax County last summer. It's estimated that the emerald ash borer has destroyed more than 25 million trees in the U.S.
Well, people are our own worst enemy. We are the #1 transport for many of the pests that are found in our area. That includes the emerald ash borer. Emerald ash borer gets transported many ways, via firewood, transporting nursery stock, or transporting ash logs.
Firewood may be transported within the state to other quarantine areas, which include Arlington, Clark, Frederick, Fauquier, Loudoun, and Prince William counties and the cities of Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, Manassas, and Manassas Park. Firewood may not be transported from these areas to any other part of the state or out of the state.
Not transporting firewood is not only beneficial because you prevent the spread of emerald ash borer, it also prevents the spread of other pests and diseases that we may not even know of. So buy it where you burn it. If you go camping, if you go traveling in an RV, if you go visit a cabin or visit another area, buy your firewood where you're staying.
Violating the state quarantine is a Class 1 misdemeanor and carries a maximum fine of $2,500 and a year in jail. Violating the federal quarantine could result in a fine of up to $250,000. For more information about the emerald ash borer and the firewood quarantine, contact the Fairfax County Forest Pest Branch at 703-324-5304, TTY 711.